All right, you have heard all about Facebook ads, and you really want to increase your sales with Facebook ads. That's okay. That's a very smart idea because I am currently doing the same thing. But recently, I discovered something that is a game changer for me when I'm running my own Facebook ads. Now, there is this one button I discovered on Facebook ads interface that got me a whopping 32% more Facebook ads sales. Like, even if I'm not running a sales campaign and I'm running an awareness campaign or every other thing, with this one button, it works for every type of campaign that I ran with it. Like, this is a game changer for me. Now, if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you this one button that you can use to improve the performance of your Facebook ads. Stick with me and I will show you soon. Okay, all right. So here we are in my Facebook ads interface, and I'm gonna quickly show you what I meant, that you need to know this one button that can quickly improve the performance of your ads on Facebook. Now, so here is a campaign that I've drafted before. I'm just going to use this as an example to show you this one button, right? So once I click on edit, right, I click on edit. Besides, you can still use this if you're creating a new campaign. Like if you're creating a new campaign, this is the interface, that this is everything that you are going to go through. And if you're familiar with running Facebook ads, you already know what I'm talking about, right? So this is the campaign level, your new awareness campaign, right? You can find this here. You can also see this here, the new awareness campaign level. Now I can name my campaign from here, right? I can name it from here. And then there's nothing really that I want to choose here, because this can work for awareness campaign. This button I'm talking about can still work for traffic, engagement, leads, app promotions, and sales. It can work for you no matter your campaign objective, right? So once you are done with this campaign at the campaign level, once you are done, click on next. Simply click on next, and then you come to the next interface, right? You come to the next interface. Here is the place that you are going to use this button, all right? Here is the place you're going to use this button. Now, this is the ad set, level. This is it, the ad set level. Now, I can rename my new ad set here, right? This is the ad set level. This is it. Now, you're going to scroll down. You see the ad set name. You see awareness, and then you scroll down. You can see your Facebook page. You select everything, and now when you come here, now normally this is going to be off, right? This is going to be off like this. It's going to be off. This button is called dynamic creative. This button here is the part that I'm talking about, and I know that you are interested in this part too. This is dynamic creative. This is what I'm talking about. Now, what it means is that once this is off, once this dynamic creative is off, it means that you are going to be using only one image and or one video to run your ad. That's just what it means, dynamic creative. So if we read what Facebook says here, it says we will automatically create combinations of your media and text that your audience is likely to respond to. So whatever you read here, that's exactly what it means, the dynamic creative. Now, once this button is off, once it is off, you can only use one image or one video and a combination of the text you are going to use in the ad level, right? But once you turn it on, now let's click on the button and see what the prompt that Facebook is going to give us. Now, once you click on the button, now Facebook says that how to create ads using dynamic creative. It says you can now provide creative elements such as images and headlines that will be used to automatically generate variations of your audience. Now, what this means is that you can add more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and images that Facebook is going to use together with your headlines and descriptions and create variations, different variations of your ad. Now, you no longer have to deal with one image and one video to create for Facebook to use for your ad. You can use different variations, like different images and different videos for that one ad, right? And here it says certain variations, such as automatically cropping an image or applying a carousel template depend on the creative elements and placements selected. Now, this is exactly what it is. Some settings, such as sent to Messenger, are not yet available for ads using dynamic creative, right? Those settings will be disabled. Now, if you are creating the dynamic ad creative, you can't send messages to Messenger, but what you can do is that this ad creative can bring people to your WhatsApp, it can keep people to your landing page, it can take people to your landing page, and a whole lot more. So once you click on the on button, click on continue. You click on continue, the button has been turned on. Like every ad that I run these days, over the past 2 months, I've been getting way more than I bargained for, unlike last year, unlike 6 months ago that I was running ads, right? So this is the one button that you will never forget to turn on, the dynamic creative, right? Always turn this button on, and you can use different variations of your ad, and you can thank me later, right? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.